What is up, everyone? This is 19th June 2023, and as you can see here, we have booked almost 50,990 rupees from the market in the first 1 hour 5 minutes. So, in this video, we'll get a clear idea on how price action works, because when market opened on a high, that in a gap up, I was waiting for the market to come down and to correct a bit towards the upside so that we can go for a buy in the PE. And if 43,971 or 44,000 is not broken in that candle, that is the second 5-minute candle, then I was sure that Banknifty was going to come down. So 43,971 has acted as a very good resistance or support in the previous day. So jump right into the video to understand how price action works or how my trade went for the day, and also you'll have a clear idea on how to execute trades based on price action. So jump right into the video. Also, we would like to say that we are not SEBI registered analysts, and all the videos in this channel are for educational purposes. So jump right into the video.
Good morning. This is 19th June 2023 and it's 9:79 in the morning. So Banknifty has opened in a gap up and it is open at 44,040. From there it is trying to move down below 43,971, which has always been a good resistance and support in the previous days. So what we have to expect in this market is, if Banknifty is falling below 43,971 and if it is sustaining below, then if it is retesting 43,971, then we will see a fall to yesterday's area of price action, wherein that is around 43,820 to 43,830. If that is also broken, then 43,795 and maybe yesterday's consolidation area. That is one condition that we can think about. Or else, if Bank Nifty is not breaking and sustaining below 44,000 means, then we can expect an upward movement like this. And also next expectation can be around 44,100. We will see Bank Nifty going down, taking a resistance there and going down. So these are the three conditions that we have for now. But again, after breaking out of 43,971 or 44,100, where we can expect a trade. So if 44,100 is broken, then we'll see another movement towards the upside like this. That is still 44,275. So since Nifty is at the verge of breaking out to the all-time high, we will see what is going to happen, because Bank Nifty also can be bullish if Nifty gives a rally. The all-time high of Nifty is at 18,887 and it has a good potential to break above 18,900 today. So let's see what is going to happen with Nifty and Bank Nifty. Alongside, there is this slight gap that has to be filled. So we'll see if this gap will be filled today or not. So we'll go for a buy at 43,800 PE with 900 quantities. 43,871. It's already moved down from the point. So we'll just wait for the slight correction to happen and then we'll go for a buy, provided this can take a stop around this level. So I'm going for 900 quantities, buying at market. And if something goes wrong, we'll go up, we'll average it with another 900 quantities, what I'm looking at. Open interest is also looking good. So there are chances that this can go above 43,900 and then come down. So we'll wait for some time and we'll execute the trades accordingly. Looks like this candle can act as a doji and maybe make a slight move towards the upside and take a resistance 43,924. So we might see a bit negative if this is going up. If not, we'll see Bank Nifty moving further down. So we'll just wait for some more time. This is how my PNL looks like. This come out great. I'll just book 10 or 15 points and I'll just get out of my position. And this is destination trading day 5 or 6, I'm not sure. So I'm averaging my position with another 300 quantities. We'll buy 300 quantities. Yes, we have bought 300 quantities. So the first was at 275, this next at 263. So this is how it looks like. This is the position, and our break even has come down by 3 points. Let's see where Bank Nifty is going. I wanted to square it off at 253, but I had a call and that's why I lost track of it. So I squared it off with 320. So if it was a 253, I would have averaged it another 900 quantity. Since it has moved up to 263, I have booked it with another how much for 300 quantities. So once it goes back to 255 or 256, that range, then I'll again go for a buy with 500 to 600 quantities. So that is my plan. So this is how our P&L looks like right now, and as you can see here, Bank Nifty has made a terrible fall from this point. We are expecting it to fall down till 43,800, but there can be a slight correction which again will take our PNL down. So looking at this, I feel this can touch 43,800 and then 43,795 and then bounce towards the upside, because it has been a good resistance in the previous days as well. So this is how our PNL looks like. We'll go for squaring off when it reaches around 45, 46. We'll get out, or maybe we'll look into the right entry or exit. Sorry, we'll look into the right exit and get out of our trade. So this is what I am planning. We'll square this off right away. Okay, my internet is not holding up properly for what I'm doing right now. Let's just wait for some more time and we'll get off our position just like that. So 315, we'll put it at 315. 900 quantities at 315, 315, 315. Then we will square off another. Internet. So as you can see here, we have booked 50,990 rupees in the first 1 hour 5 minutes in the market. So well and good. Maybe we will see some more downward movement in the market, but I am well and good for the day. So this is what we have booked, and I am signing off for the day with the minimum profits that we have got, and we have booked almost 14 to 15% of the deployed capital. Yep. So it is going up any which ways. So I'm well and good. We could have booked almost 60 to 65,000 rupees, but it's a destination trading day. This is what we need. Yeah, cool. Thanks for watching the video. And also, we would like to say that we are not SEBI registered analysts, and also all the videos that are being posted in this channel is for educational purposes. You can take the levels as references. So that's all. Thanks for watching the video again. Bye.